Greetings, YouTube enthusiast. Today, we embark on a scientific voyage delving into the groundbreaking research conducted by Tufts University in Boston. Brace yourself as we unravel the intricate webs of dietary choices and their profound impact on aging processes. This is not just another diet chart, this is a revelation backed by rigorous scientific inquiry. As demographic predicts a surge in aging population with an estimate suggesting a rise from 15% to a staggering 25% in the United States by 2060, the imperative to understand the nuances of aging and its multigrain factors becomes paramount. The focal point of our discussion is a study published by the American Journal for Clinical Nutrition. This longitudinal study, spanning over 3 decades, scrutinized by dietary habits of 48,000 women, drawing the data from the renowned Nurse Health Study. The finding illuminates a remarkable correlation between protein consumption during midlife and the trajectory of healthy aging. The study posits that while protein intake in general was associated with a healthier aging, an intriguing revelation emerged. The source of protein matters significantly. The scientists expound on the dichotomy between the animal and plant based proteins. Individuals consuming higher amounts of animal proteins exhibit a propensity towards chronic diseases without concomitant improvement in the physical functions, a phenomenon not observed in their plant protein consuming counterparts. In 1984, plant based protein encompassed sources such as bread, vegetables, fruits, pizzas, and nuts, demonstrated a remarkable association with a 46% increased likelihood of healthy aging in women. Conversely, those relying predominantly on animal sources like milk, meat, fish, and cheese were 6% less likely to experience robust health in their later years. To unravel the mechanism underpinning this phenomenon, researchers elucidate the role of mammalian target of rifampicin complex 1 signaling pathway, which is basically mTORC1. Preliminary evidence suggests that dietary proteins, particularly when coupled with physical activity, stimulate this pathway, fostering muscle protein synthesis and enhancing physical functions, both crucial component for a healthy aging. This study, while shedding light on the advantages of plant protein, also emphasized the holistic benefits derived from the plant based foods, attributing that they observed healthy aging effects not solely on protein content but also complementary to the compounds found in them, such as dietary fibers, micronutrients, and polyphenols. These elements, widely acknowledged to their anti inflammatory and antioxidants property, contributing to the overall well being, mitigating the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular issues. So, if you are on a quest for an eating plan that transforms and transcends time, let's unravel the blueprint for an ageless bliss based on the research what we just saw. Opt for a variety of plant based proteins such as lentils, chickpeas, beans, and quinoa. These are not just proteins powerhouses but also rich in fibers, essential for your gut and your overall well being. The green Mediterranean diet, an evolution of its traditional counterpart, places a pronounced focus on plant based foods. Load your plate with leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and herbs, drawing inspirations from the lush landscapes of the Mediterranean. Water is your fountain for youth. Stay adequately hydrated to support bodily functions, maintain skin elasticity, and flush out the toxins. Opt for a minimally processed alternatives. Tofu and legume based pastas can be an excellent substitute for a highly processed plant based products that might compromise on your health goals. Indulge or include sources of healthy fats such as avocados and olive oils. These fats not only are satiative but also provide essential fatty acids vital for your brain's health and maintaining the supple skin. Elevate your culinary experience with an abundance of herbs and spices, from oreganos and rosemaries to garlic and turmeric. These flavors additionally bring anti inflammatory and antioxidant benefits on the table. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and barley bring a wealth of nutrients to the table. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they play a pivotal role in reducing the inflammation, a cornerstone for healthy aging. Beyond the food, the green Mediterranean diet encourages mindful eating. Savor each bite, engage in shared meals, and relish the social and cultural aspects of nourishment. All right, my fellow seekers of ageless wellness, this concludes our journey into the green Mediterranean diet, a symphony of flavors, colors, and healthy benefits. If you have found this information valuable and are ready to embark on the path for vibrant living, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, stay healthy, stay positive. See you around.